This 2022 KZ Connect SE241 BHK SE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 29 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps aid, carbon monoxide detector, awning, refrigerator, slide-out, water heater, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, smoke detector, microwave, oven, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 KZ Connect SE241 BHK SE is 5,330 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.